What is the minimum trading amount in Quotex? This is one of the questions that I come across daily on my social media platforms and in the comment sections of my video. Today on this video, I want to answer that. And I want to answer that by first asking you a few questions. Number one, how much do you want to win in Quotex? The amount that you want to win in Quotex will determine how much you trade with. For example, if you want to win $90 in a single trade, then you might want to trade with $100 on a single trade that guarantees a rate of return of 90% and above. The second question that you want to ask yourself to determine how much you should trade with in Quotex is your risk tolerance level. How much can you risk in a single trade? For example, if I have $1,000 in my account and my risk tolerance level is very high, then I can easily make the decision to trade with $900 in a single trade. Then my minimum trade amount for that single trade will be $900. That is, after you paid all your bills and settled anything that you need to settle financially, how much are you left with that you can trade within Quotex? The last question that you might want to ask yourself is how much your disposable income is. If, for example, your disposable income is $1,000 and you want to trade with that $1,000 in a single trade, then that becomes your minimum trading amount for that single trade. Otherwise, the minimum trading amount in Quotex is only $1, which means that you can make a deposit of $10 and begin trading in Quotex with only $1 per trade. Again, what is the minimum trading amount in Quotex? The minimum trading amount in Quotex is only $1. But if you want to trade with more, you can trust your gut. If you don't have an account in Quotex, there is a link on the description of this video. I've also pinned one in the comment section of this video. Click on it, create your account. Your account will come with 10,000 demo units, which you can use to demo trade and to learn how to trade risk free. Until next time, bye bye. My name is Ken Omolo.